Yeah.
Do we need to do a switcheroo? There you go.
Switcheroo, baby.
Yeah.
Welcome to the podcast and the live show. We are trading live tonight, binary options. This is fascinating. World of binary options, and we're going live right now. We're doing this for real.
Doing this. But first, I'm going to prepare to do a Big Mac mukbang.
Why are you cracking yourself up, dude?
I don't know, dude. I just feel like being funny tonight, you know?
Well, I hope you do, dude.
I mean, why not? We've already got, huh?
A mukbang? Ramen mukbang compilation.
A mukbang. It's like some people enjoy watching people eat. I don't know the exact definition. I'm not sure.
Spicy, enoki, mushroom mukbang, crunchy eating. Dude, there's some people on here that are just cramming in all this food, dude. Fried chicken mukbang. Okay, do that one. Yeah, dude, look at these people, man.
Yeah, it's like, I guess it's like an ASMR thing, maybe. Where people enjoy people watch, like they enjoy them. Yeah, I guess there's a word. You know how some people hate to hear people eat? I think you have that problem.
There's an
actual word for that, and I forget what it's called. Some kind of a phobia or something.
Hate. People chew. Is it called? Let's see.
I think it starts with an M.
The disorder is something called selective sound sensitivity syndrome.
No,
individuals with
that's
misophonia.
It. Yes, I knew it started with an M of some sort. Yeah.
They're triggered when people do oral sounds by eating, breathing, or even chewing. Is it a mental illness? It's a real disorder, and one that seriously compromises functioning, socialization, and ultimately mental health. Dude, I have a mild case of this. You know?
Yeah, I think you do.
Misophonia.
Yeah.
Why do I hate when someone chews loudly? This is just because it's basic manners not to chew your food loud, dude.
No, there are some but there has to be a reason people hate it, dude. And some people they can't stand the sound of it. It's kind of like nails on a chalkboard to some people, I think.
Oh yeah, misophonia was more strongly related to obsessive symptoms of OCD, partially meditated the relationship. Okay, how do I stop being bothered by chewing? Number one, don't hang out with Todd Anderson.
I'm notorious for bringing my food into the live stream and just eating while
you know what? I'm gonna go get my wife has some kettle corn in there. I'm gonna go get a big old bowl of it, and you eat your Big Mac, and I'll just chomp on
We'll just mukbang for everybody tonight.
That would be like the best idea, dude. I'm kind of.
I hope that's not like a bad word that I'm saying.
I don't think it is. It sounds like it's just a word, an internet word for listening to people eat stuff.
I think so, yeah.
It sounds weird, but
it does kind of, yeah. But
I've got everything,
especially
out,
the second half of the word. But
yeah, well, I've got everything out. You're at 560. We're trying to get to 577.22, but we're every two trades we're going up.
Okay, that raises another quick question.
So I actually got
does that actually mean? Okay, does that actually mean that theoretically, I'm finding out that I hate that word. What, mukbang? You hate the word mukbang? That's from Haley on Facebook.
Terrible word.
That's my daughter.
It's a freaking terrible word, dude.
Okay, if we're going to go up everything, does that mean that we don't actually need to win 12 to clear the level?
Yeah, it means that. So what I have here is I have.
How many then do we need to win percentage-wise to clear the level?
Well, we don't really know.
Is it more like 8 or 9?
We don't really know. Probably more like that. But what I'm going to do is the goal to clear the level is 577.22. So when the account balance says 577.22,
okay,
we will have cleared the level. I mean, it will depend. I mean, I don't want to go through the obsessive math of figuring out exactly how many. We'll find out tonight.
Just whenever we get to there, yeah.
If we get to there and it's 9 wins, we're good. We can stop. We can actually stop. which actually, dude, would be kind of nice for us. That's what I did. So I just took my martingale chart and I just snapshotted them and threw them in an Evernote document. So there's my 6 martingales.
Okay.
Starting out at 170, then 190, 230, then 180, 190, 210. It's actually in a line when it's not like this. It's actually in a line. So it's like start out with 170. When we win that, we go to 180. Win 2 trades at that, we would go to 190. So yeah, we're moving up quite a bit. We'll end at 250.
How many watchers do we have already?
Like 1, probably just your daughter. But you know what?
Because I'm seeing at least 2 on Facebook. So.
Oh well, you're awesome. Do you think I should get some kettle corn? I don't know.
Sure, go ahead. If you're watching us, leave us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, let us know. Say I'm here, present. We'll take attendance. Roll call.
Yes, we want to take your attendance and know if you're watching us.
Holy freaking smokes, dude! That's a major. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, look at Apple real quick, because I mean this is not necessarily anything to get in on right now, but look at that double cross. Okay, the MACD cross, and look at the size of the candle as it crossed, dude. That was like the biggest.
Insane. We've got a good plan. I feel like we're back on our mojo. If you're listening to us on Apple Podcast, Spotify, make sure leave a review, because I think we're one of the only live stream trading binary options podcast available. Look at Cisco; it's about to double cross down. Before I go get my
what is the first trade, and do you have the
we could take a first trade
set?
at 170, and I think we could take it if this crosses down, dude. It's gonna go to the white line, I think.
Let's see if it opens in 15 seconds. It is retracting.
It is retracting, but this,
yeah, that scares me. Let's abort this mission here. That's a major retraction.
It's not gonna. Well, that just means it's not gonna cross. It looked like it was going to. Yeah, that's a massive retraction.
That's one thing we got to remember tonight, because that always bites us in the butt.
Yeah, if
anytime a candle retracts in the last few seconds,
then I'm gonna abort if it just starts. Yeah. Because I realized something about this. That just means that the other pressure is starting to win, a little earlier than the candle closed. I mean, it just means that the up pressure is just returning. And so if we see candles doing that, dude, I'm not gonna force the button. I usually ignore that, and it's bit us in the butt every time.
Yeah, I know. We always regret it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go look around. Try to get our wins in tonight. I'm going to start the 60-minute timer for the podcast. If you're listening on the podcast, this will be about an hour, and then the rest of it will be on the live stream. So in about an hour, we'll end the podcast segment of this with a little bumper. It'll be a custom bumper. Wait for that. Like whoa! Twitter's heading towards the white line. It's a big candle, but it's something to look at, I guess. I guess it would be nice to see it. Oh, it's probably too late. That's a big old candle. Is it going to the white line? Last night we got a lot of charts that would go like 3 candles up, and then as soon as we entered, they would just turn around. But this one might be going. Do you think if this candle crosses, it's double crossing? Is it going to go to the white line? I think it. Well, I don't know.
When you say double crossing, the stochastic has already crossed a while back.
The MACD is getting ready to cross. I don't know that this is actually going up, but 14
it's kind of uncrossing at this point. But I know that we missed a nice little downtrend there.
If it shoots up, can I take this trade? Because I think it's going to the white line from here.
Well, no, you may not. Don't take it.
Okay, I won't take it. Abort. A
little late now.
Well,
no, you're okay. As long as it's going up. I mean, did it shoot open? I hope this candle goes up. It shot down, but now it's kind of shooting up. So
yeah, I think but when I initially saw this, I think, okay, it's going to the white line.
Yeah, I mean, if your gut tells you it's going up, then it's
But then it retracted, but then the MACD really did cross, and I think it is going to the white line.
It looks like it is. I mean. Do you think it's going to go through the white line, or do you think it's going to retract?
I can't say we should re-enter if this wins. I hope this wins. It has a little bit.
I mean, it's holding strong, and it looks like it could go up further. So, I think this will be a. I mean, short of doing anything really crazy, this will be a win for us. So,
I mean, we could take this. Do you want to take this next trade? I mean,
no. Not this close. It's not looking like that.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really feeling like it's actually going to keep going. I mean, it might, but I don't know. I don't have like a massive feeling of like majorly up, because look at the chart. The chart has been going up, going down, going up, going down. I did believe that it was that candle was going to do it, but now I don't know.
Well, that was the first win, bro.
That was the first win. Yeah, there you go. Let's see here. We'll go up the martingale. Yeah, I like this idea.
Look at Pfizer. It's kind of climbing.
Oh yeah. Let me look where it's positioned at. That's nice, dude. Oh yeah, that's. Do you think we should take the next green candle? That's a climb, dude. We could possibly take it. Let's do it.
Okay.
I don't know. It's kind of big. Well, let's just do it. It's not got much stoppage. There's a little stop point up here, like right up here, but I think it's going to go ahead and go up to it.
I mean, kind of a late position, but
it's a stair step though. It's a good stair step.
But it's a nice stair step, yeah. I don't know how far it's going to go, but it looks like
how far could it go, really? Well, there's a line that it's getting ready to touch, so I don't think we should re-enter if this wins. Jeez, that's a low position. Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say your position's kind of high there, but
looking. But it's been going up. It's been pushing a little down, then it's been heading back up. Oh, come on. Baby.
Come on, you can do it. Go on up.
Dang it. This is a first surf. Dang, and a first surf is a lost surf. Dang it.
Yeah.
All right, 390 is our next trade. I mean, that could have been that was a break through the white line. Well, is it going up from here? Do you think it's going to go from here?
No. The question is well, no, I don't know. I don't want to get in on that.
Yeah, it's a second.
I was looking at Tesla, but
oh wow, yeah, that might be a good one too.
But it's at the white line, and I don't know.
Yeah, it's not going through the white line. It's going to retract off that white line.
What'd you say the next trade is?
390, and I think it's going to retract off that white line, dude. Crap. So that was a stair step that just turned around on us.
Yeah. We got in kind of late, I guess, but it looked like
either way, it still didn't even break the top of the red candle. You know. That's all right. That's all right. Look at Apple again, dude. Apple's heading.
I'm on Apple.
Let's see. I don't know what Apple's gonna do.
I don't know. It's really close to the white line, and the MACD hasn't crossed yet, so that makes me real nervous because when it crosses, it's going to be right on the line, and I don't know what's going to happen with that.
Yeah, I can't take risky trades, or we cannot take risky trades on the white line.
There's no sense in doing that
unless it's just tanking through it like completely. Right now, it's mostly been rejected by the white line. This chart has been. It has not really, but it's not. It's not like rocket. It's not like perfect science though, on the white line. This one, it's went above it a little bit, then went down. In general, I don't think this is gonna. Yeah, this is gonna be too close to the white line to make a decision. I think. I wonder. Oh, look at Pfizer. Pfizer is still heading up.
That's what I'm on. Yeah, that's what I'm on. So we got the one red candle, and now it's still going up.
Yeah, I just don't know.
It's kind of at a line though right now.
Yeah, where those candles wicked out.
Yeah.
Yeah, if we're going to take this...
I mean, like, literally, we got the one red candle.
Yeah. Yeah. This one's kind of hard to figure out. Mm-hmm. We could take... It probably is going up. We could take it from, like, when it dips down. Because it probably is going up.
Well, but I don't know, though.
Yeah, it wicked pretty good up there.
I don't know how far down it is because it's kind of, it's showing a lot of resistance here.
Yeah. Yeah, that is at a line, kind of at a line where it stopped before. So let's watch it. Maybe it'll go above it. MACD's up. That's up. I mean, this could be a long way up. I mean, it's got a long way to go before it gets to its upper levels. I mean, like real long. Just don't know if it's got enough momentum.
Yeah.
To do that.
I'm looking at Netflix right now, and I'm wondering if it's kind of breaking out of this consolidation line. Because it's kind of had a sideways consolidation movement for a while, and I'm wondering if it's breaking that or if it's just, well, now it's kind of retracting. So whenever a candle drops down in the last few seconds like that, it's never a good sign for the next candle.
That's crazy. That one's crazy. It's been really fighting up and down, just bouncing all over the place. Okay, Pfizer through another red candle. It's still trying to go green. It's really just consolidating up there at the top.
Wait, that's Pfizer right now?
Yeah.
Okay, dude, that looks like it's about to drop, dude. But I don't know.
That's what I think. I think maybe the MACD is going to start turning around here.
I mean, it could keep climbing from here, but that's a significant sized candle there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's kind of going down from here. I don't know.
I don't know.
I think we can probably put it at the end of this candle. What do you think? Yeah, I think we can put it, dude. Look at it.
You want to put it for a minute and a half, or?
We can, yeah. If you think that's better, in case it retracts.
Yeah, do that. And only if it looks like there's still a significant amount of pressure. If this candle totally wicks out, then yeah, that looked good so far. So see what the next candle does.
We're kind of anticipating the double cross on the MACD because the stochastic is kind of heading downwards.
Mm-hmm.
But stay on this chart and watch it, because if we lose,
well, I'm not leaving it. I mean, we're in on a trade, so
yeah, don't be poking.
So I'm going to be watching this trade. So
it's kind of slow right now, but I think it's going to go.
As long as this candle will give a good push downward, I'd feel better, because it's just hanging out at this line, and it's going back and forth, and so
there we go.
Yeah, that looks nice, as long as it'll stay down there and keep pushing down. 30 seconds. There we go. Okay.
It does want to go. I always think about our life, and I wonder, do you think this is going to the white line? I'm going to go back to 1 minute. I guess we can't really know. We're at 17 seconds. Oh, wow, our trade ends in 17 seconds. Do you want to go for another one at the end? Well, let's wait for the end of this candle.
Well, what worries me is that...
That's a win.
Come
on. No.
Boom.
Yeah.
Okay, don't...
Boom.
I don't know, though, because the MACD... Let's wait till the MACD crosses.
Oh, is it not crossed yet? Yeah.
No, it's not there yet.
Okay. It might, and if it does, then... But I don't know that it's going to.
No, that might be as far as we go here.
We kind of won that one on the stochastic cross, really. But look at the moving average. The moving average is kind of pointing down, but now we're definitely going back up. So I think this might actually go back up for a good bit. But that was a good win,
no. I mean, I still think it might go down.
Okay.
But I don't know. I mean, Or it could just consolidate here. Who
well,
knows?
that's 2 wins, and we're moving up in the martingale. So let's. That feels kind of good. We're going up in price now. So that.
Okay, at least we got that one at 80%. It scared me when I looked over and it dropped.
I just checked it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's look around. Oh, look at American Express, dude. It could be heading up.
So we're moving up a level in the.
Yeah, American Express is.
This looks like
Although it's been going up, down, up, down. It's actually probably going to go higher. This next candle is probably going to be green.
It looks like it could be, but then I don't know.
Okay.
You want to try it?
Want to take it? Yeah, I do.
Sure, go ahead.
Like, because of the way this is moving, I think it's
it is swooping up. Yeah.
It's a higher high. So I mean, hopefully it's not done with its higher high. It's been going higher, higher. It's been going it's been going, if you look at my screen, it's been kind of going like that. It's been kind of moving that way. But that's not good. That's way not good. What the freak? See,
it could still win.
That's kind of a stair step, right? I mean, it was above its line.
It is, but it could just be wicking out. It could be going up.
Yeah, it could be, because it does want to go up. I think this kind of does want to go up.
I mean, it's pulling up. There it goes. There it goes. Come on. You got it. One more little burst up there. Come on.
Don't go back down.
Come on, burst up.
Consolidate.
There you go. Push up. Big push up. Big push up. Come on. Push up. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Come on. There you go. There you go.
Boom.
Yeah.
We called that one, dude.
Oh my goodness.
Well, this pattern is very, very clear. You know, I mean, it is very, very clear. All right, I'm gonna happy dance that one out here. Oh. I'm not sure what it's going to do now. I don't. It might not go.
Let's
keep
trucking on to other charts now, because we're moving right along here, dude. We got 3 wins, 1 more win, and we're moving up again in the martingale system.
That's right.
Or in levels, actually.
We're only about $11 away from our goal right now.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Some of the charts are at 69%, 49%, so be careful.
Oh.
Just pay attention to them. They're kind
of
moving.
Well,
we might have a MACD cross down on FedEx coming.
I was looking at Tesla because it's fallen, but it's also
FedEx. Look at FedEx though.
I'm on FedEx.
It might be crossing the MACD down. It's in the right position?
Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of weird though.
It is kind of weird.
Something about this tells me it's
gonna go back up.
Yeah, that's what I think. I mean, because it's crossing now. I don't trust this. I mean,
well, if you look at my screen, this is sometimes what I've got burned on a couple of these. Look at this. Look at this pattern.
Oh,
It probably is going to be a false cross, and it's probably going to bounce off this. I mean, that's what it's been doing. It's been going up, going down to that line, going up, going down. If it continues in that method, then yeah, a put would be a terrible idea. In fact, we should probably just call this next candle, because like maybe for a minute
see, it's kind of rounding out right there.
Yeah, well, once it hits the lowest point there, it's probably going to go up. And the MACD kind of crossed, but not very well. It's very small, but I think if we get a green candle here, like a good green one, we could do a 1:30 call on it, because it's probably going to continue in its. If it doesn't look like a consolidation, then like that. See, I think it's going up. Yeah.
So if it dips down, why don't you take a 2-minute call?
Okay.
If it drops down, I don't know if it's going to drop down, but.
Well, either way, I think we could take one now.
I don't know that it's going to end this high. That's a lot of pressure. It might dip down, and we'll get it.
Yeah, it might.
We don't want a bad position on it.
Just wait. I'll wait for the dip, and if it doesn't look like consolidation, we'll do. You want a 2-minute call, because it probably is heading back up from here. I mean, it might. It's kind of.
I mean,
you think the next candle's green? I don't know about that.
Well, let's see what the next candle does.
If it tries to go back down,
because it could go down. All right. I'd say he could probably take a call from here.
2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes. I'd say. It's moving slow, so.
Yeah, I think it's trying to go up. The only bad part is if it starts consolidating and turning around. But I do think with the pattern that I see here, that's a pretty decent call.
Yeah.
I don't know for sure, but I do think that it's just gonna like push up from here.
Yeah, as long as if this candle will end well above our line, then we'll be in a great position.
The stochastic just crossed up. I mean, it tweaked up, and the MACD is totally straight. The MACD is a fake double cross. It's not going to
Yeah, cross. I'm hoping this candle will hold its height there or gain more of it. Yeah, there we go. Because this will end well above our line.
As long as it doesn't bounce off
there it goes. Yeah, then as long as this one doesn't dip down too far, then we'll be okay.
It might consolidate here.
Crap.
But it's still, I think, going up. I mean, that's about as low as I think it's going, dude. I don't see it staying down here. I actually do think it's going to go back up from here.
Yeah, I think
We've got a great position. So, I mean, if it just goes back up a little bit here. What the heck is that? Okay. 30 seconds. I don't know. This is starting to look...
Well, that looks bad.
But I think it may have reached its height. I mean, that candle might have... We got 28 seconds. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe this has got me confused now. So let's just wait.
Yeah, that totally threw me in a loop.
But this candle's going to end, and it's probably going to go up. So if this is consolidation, we're going to win it, dude. If this is consolidation...
If this consolidates and goes up, then yes. But we've only got 11 seconds.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it.
And it's not looking good, so...
Come on. There you go. 5. It's not.
Crap. No, it's a loss. Dang it. We could have won it in the 1 minute. Dang it.
Would we have won it in the 1 minute?
Yeah.
Oh, was it up there on the 1 minute? I don't know. I don't think it was.
I think so.
I think it went back down. Our next trade's 410. Is it going up from here?
No.
No. Yeah, it...
Don't know what it's doing from here.
Because it went higher. It went lower. It went to the line. It went higher. Went to the line, and now it didn't go higher, so now it's broke its pattern a little bit. It's probably not our best strategy to go for a second trade.
Netflix, though, man. Look at Netflix. Quickly.
All right. Yeah. Do you want to put on Netflix?
I would just take the next one. Take a put on the next one. You got 2 seconds.
Yeah, that's a second 2 candles. That's 5 candles in a row that are green. A little tiny push up. We're down below we're not really in any line of consolidation. I think you're going to win this one.
Yeah, I think so. This is going to push down. Yeah, I believe it will.
Is this
this right here is our classic candle surfing. So just going for that next red candle there.
So this is really probably another, should we re-enter this? Because this could be it, and it'll be a 190 trade because we're going to move up.
Yeah, I mean, you could take the next one if, I'm going to go ahead and mark this one as a win. Go ahead and re-enter it, and then do a happy dance after you.
Goes up here.
Did you reset the trade?
Yeah, it's 190. Yeah.
You got a good position there.
Yeah, I entered it a little bit early.
Happy dance.
Happy dance, baby. Okay, 564. Oh, that's why. I see why. Okay.
What's our next trade?
The next trade. Oh, crap. This is a payout of... It's
Whoa.
Stupid.
Okay, don't re-enter. Don't re-enter. We're at 80% though.
But,
we're at 80.
That's fine. That's a good win right there.
We're good, but man, it just okay. Glad you caught that.
Yeah, these are tonight. These are changing a lot, dude. These are changing a lot fast. So that's still a big win. 51% though. Come on, don't do that. You ain't doing it. Don't do that.
No, we got this, bro. We got it.
Yeah, that's moving so slow.
Okay, boom, we got it.
good wins tonight.
That's 5 wins. It's a shame we got to get off that chart. You know, all because of... We didn't happy dance that one out.
All right, hold on. I'm doing that.
American Express, bro. American Express.
Man, I'm so glad we're back, dude.
American Express. Okay, we might be able to take the next candle.
All right, what do you got? 13 seconds? What do you think?
I think it looks good. I think I'd take...
Yeah,
well, I don't know. This candle's got a lot of pressure,
yeah, no,
so
I think
hold off.
Take it. I want to take it. No, look at it. I want to take it.
No, it's too close.
No, it's crossing, dude. It's going.
Yes, but it crossed majorly, and I don't know. I'd let it retract. Well, that's right.
Well, the cross is over.
It got too close. So it may continue down, but it's a big candle. It was just too big. See what I mean?
Yeah, well, good thing you called me off, because I was going to do it.
I know.
I was looking at other stuff.
Okay,
too.
so where are we at in the martingale system? We're on level what now? What level are we trading at?
We're on the third level. We're on $1.90 trades. Yeah, we made $2.70 trades, $2.80 trades, and we made one $1.90 trade. We're still at $1.90 again. So what is this going to do? Is this going to go back? I don't know. This is another one of those ones that's kind of got that line. That what do we call that? It's
what?
Higher highs, higher lows line. I mean, it's obeying that. It's this candle. Next candle could be green. What do you think about that? Look at this and tell me if you think this is heading.
Oh, okay. It's like a
Yeah, look, it's bouncing between like where there it's low to up to there it's high. I mean,
we didn't win the last time we tried this.
We didn't win it, no, because sometimes it stays down there. I guess you'd have to really feel like it was doing it. It was turning.
Let's let this candle. If this candle goes red, then we could think about taking a call from down there.
Yeah, or we'll just wait. Let's watch it and see. I'll tell you what I think.
Because this is a volatile situation right here. Because it could still, because that green candle could be letting off steam from that big red candle, then this one could just be sort of in between and could end up going back down, or it could just turn around and go back up. So we don't really know.
Yeah, if it follows the pattern though, this next candle will be green. I think we should take this next candle. Look at it. It's got pressure to go up.
In a 1 minute?
It's a first trade. Let's just take it. I think it'll be green. Yeah, just agree with me.
Okay, I'm gonna trust you.
Unless it farts into consolidation, which you were right. You might like that big red candle. Then it goes up to green, and then it goes down again red. But that would be a weird pattern in this chart because it hit its low. It hit its low already. You know what I'm saying? If you look at my screen real quick and see what I'm saying, it already hit its low point and it's headed back up to its high point.
Yeah, it is.
So that's the only reason I'm saying that.
Yeah, no, I think this will. I mean, this is. Well, it was steadily moving up, so.
Well, it still might. It's only.
I think it's it's dropping a little bit, but I mean, so far it's still holding green.
So far,
so
it's good. It's well above our line right now, so it's.
I don't know that it's well above it. In fact, it's below it.
It is now.
Oh, dang it!
15 seconds.
Go back
I think it's gonna pull.
Back up.
It's gonna pull.
Go up.
Come on. Come on.
Well, bro, this is a loss.
Oh crap! Come on! Dang it!
Yeah, I was worried about that. This is going to be another red one. What's
30.
this?
All right. Well, let's just go find something else.
It might be consolidating here.
It must be that. Like it must be a new level.
I don't know that. I was worried about that. This didn't feel right, but
look at it. If I would have taken a 2 minute, I would have been winning it. I don't know. Maybe these dangerous ones are more.
That's what I said. We lost the first one that we tried here in this situation. We don't win these. I don't know why, but they don't win.
Look at the last time it hit that low level. It went up 3, and then it went down 2. Look, and it hit again, and then it shot up like 8 candles, and then it went down. I mean, it's been doing a very consistent movement, but now it's like done. I guess whatever. Let's look for something that we got to look for something more clear. Yeah, that might not even have won a 2 minute on that one.
Alibaba. I don't know. No, it's at a line, a big support line.
FedEx. Okay, so FedEx broke out of that. Yeah, see, FedEx was that other one that we did. Look at my screen. You can see it finally broke out of its thing, consolidated, and then went down the white line. So I guess that's just what happens sometimes. It's when it's done.
I think after it's done that pattern so many times,
yeah,
you really
I
can't
think you're
trust
right.
it
You probably get about 3 of those, and then it's gonna do something different. This one's probably gonna do that too. This
look at Brent oil, dude.
Brent oil is always like the one that just pops out of nowhere. Oh yeah, look at Brent oil.
Is it about the waterfall, you think? It's not. Yeah. The MACD is not coming out of overbought.
Yeah, that scares me. And it's got a pretty good line of resistance down there. Support, I mean. It's passed through the white line.
But is it going down ultimately? It's at there's kind of a support line there.
Yeah, but I mean, it could. It could also, let me see what it's been doing. It's been just going up, down, up, down, up, down, but then it broke out and went real far down.
It's at a high position where it looks like it could fall from.
I don't know. I mean, what do you think of this next candle? I mean, is this next candle going to be red? That's all we need is one candle. It's getting ready to... It's pretty low.
I mean, it's got some up pressure. It's pulling up some.
Yeah, but the stochastic and MACD are still pointing down. Everything's kind of down. We could take the next candle down on this one.
It's at a line, though. That's what scares me.
It's not there yet, but it could be.
It's real dang close.
It's moving slow, though.
Yeah, abort that.
Okay.
It pulled up a lot in the last second.
It did pull up. Like it's almost been to the line. It's just wanting to go back.
Yeah.
It's moving kind of slow. So if
there you go. See, I think it's going to retract. I don't think it's going to turn into a massive waterfall or anything.
What's Apple doing? Apple's possibly going back down to the white line. Not quite sure yet, but it looks like it could be. Heading back down to the white line. Like, do you think this next candle is going to be red from Apple? I mean,
look at silver.
Kind of hit a line and then it's going down. Oh, yeah, well, silver's at the white line, so... Is it going to tank? Oh, crap. Yeah, dude, silver might tank. Yeah, dude. What do you think is going to happen next? It's at a line and it's at a white line.
Yeah, that's the problem.
That's just a small problem.
You know what else is a problem?
What's that?
When you take like a double dose of laxative right before a trading session.
Yeah, but if you look at Apple... I was right on that next chart, dude. Next candle, it was red. You did not do that, dude, did you?
I mean, yeah, like a couple hours ago, but...
A couple hours ago?
Yeah, well, like 2 hours ago. It hasn't kicked in yet, but it might wait till now.
Is Apple going to the white line? Look at it and tell me.
It looks like it could, but dude, this has not been any kind of a, like...
Yeah, it hasn't double-crossed. I mean, it probably is going to go down there and then just dink-donk around.
It looks like a real volatile chart. It's got a ton of wicks on it. We're on a second trade.
Silver is down. It broke the white line. This is a small candle. We can watch silver and see what happens if you want.
You think it's going to keep going, or you think it's going to retract from here?
Silver? I think it's going to retract maybe. I mean, it was kind of like making me think it's going to go down, but
yeah,
it's at a massive line right now. Like right now, it's at this big line right here. You know?
Oh yeah, I see that, dude.
It has a line there and it has volatility, so it could really jank around here for a while. I mean, but we could watch it because, Apple just went cranking through the white. Apple's going to double cross, but now it's way low. So I was totally right on my gut on Apple. That was a good. But look how big that red candle is now. That's hilarious.
So do you want to take a retraction on it, or do you think it's going to keep going?
I mean, maybe a 2-minute retraction. Like, look how, like right now, we'd have to take it right now if you think it's going up. I just don't know.
I don't know either.
It could just fart around down there.
It could, and it could keep going. Who knows?
Yeah, it could keep going because it's so strong. Our luck, it would just keep going.
Right. So
I wanted to take it. I wanted to take that like second or third red candle from the top up there because I think that was clearly like its pattern. I mean, now, yeah, we could take a 3-minute call, 4-minute. Like
I don't know, dude. I mean, it could.
It hasn't broken this line down here at all for a long time, and I mean it's.
But I don't know that it's going to go up that high either. It could consolidate there.
Right. That's what I.
We don't really know what it's going to do. We don't want to.
I don't feel like super safe with it. I'm not like.
No, I don't want to take a trade on that because it's just wasting a trade. On something.
Facebook though, Facebook's at a white line and it's double crossing up it. It might actually go.
Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook. Well, it's at 47%.
I was going to say Facebook's not even in my radar of 80%. So.
Well, that's okay.
FedEx is about to swoop up. It looks like, but I don't know how far it's going to go.
Well, it's about to double cross. Let me see. Yeah, FedEx is probably not going to go up that far. It's at a massive line it's a massive line right now. I don't think it's going much further than that. Plus the double cross is on the high side. It could. I mean, it could trick me and just keep going, but it doesn't look like.
Well, if you're not sure, then.
I mean, I guess if it double crosses right here, like really big, then do you think it's going to double cross? I don't think that double cross doesn't look convincing to me, and it's at a line.
Yeah.
So it will double cross maybe, but it's
also retracting a lot.
Right. I think this would be in the line of a fakey double cross. See, it didn't even cross. I don't know what to do on that one. I think it's going to go down. Like the last chart that did all this crazy stuff ended up going down, and it went down for a long time. Was it FedEx?
That's
the one I'm looking at.
I'm looking at currencies right now.
Yeah.
Euro NZD is, I mean, the MACD is just itching to cross from overbought.
Yeah.
Same with stochastic. They're both in overbought, but I don't know that it's going down from here.
Yeah.
Could be going up more. I don't know. It's because it's been consolidating kind of for a while.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to know. It is.
It looks like it's going to break out in some sort of direction here, though. Pretty soon. It can't keep doing this much longer.
Yeah, you're right. I mean, how long can it do that?
Because that MACD is just like itching to cross. You see that?
Yeah, it's kind of almost crossing. And I mean, we could take a 2-minute put from up here when it lifts up, when it gets up to this top line, like where it's been hanging.
But I don't know that it isn't going to break out upward.
Yeah, I don't know either, bro. I don't think so. I mean, the MACD isn't like massive yet.
I mean, everything's cricking downward, but then again,
right now I think a put is dangerous because we're at the bottom line of this consolidation area.
Oh yeah, from here it is.
Without the massive MACD cross, I mean, do you think the next candle's gonna break out of this and just go straight down? I think so.
It's a good possibility.
Let's take the down. Let's
let this go up. This might go up. I don't know that this is going down.
I don't know, man.
It might crank up, and if it does, then you could take a put.
A 1 or 2.
Probably just a 1, unless you want to get on the wrong side of it.
I'm not sure yet. Hold on. I'm gonna watch it.
I don't know how far up it's gonna go because it might start dropping from here. I don't know if it's really gonna go all the way up. You got the trade set?
Yeah, it's $4.30. I kind of think we should just take the flip-flop on this.
Yeah, I kind of think so, but
just a 1-minute flip because I think it's going to hit this line and go. It's been hitting this line and going back and forth. Although
I think it's going to break out upward. If it goes higher than that, then I'd be cautious. But
yeah. You think I should flip this? Yeah, I think it should flip.
Probably. Yeah, I mean, it's likely to just go down from here.
Come on now, we're in now. Let's get the feel for this chart, because this chart could, if this is breaking out, we should probably call it on the next candle.
I think it still may flip down.
I think it's gonna win. I think this candle wants to. These candles.
I think it's slow. I think it could drop, dude.
There's a lot of wicks on this candle.
Maybe not, but it just like all of a sudden got this momentum to go up.
Yeah, of course. Of course, we flip flopped, but we have straight up indicators now. 970.
I don't know that I would take the next one because I'm not sure what it's going to do, and I'm not sure of it. Everything is straight.
Yeah, all right.
Well, that was a fail. I mean, it went up literally just enough to take out our win.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm glad we didn't take the call on this. We're on a third trade now.
Yep, unfortunately.
If this one falls, I don't even know what that one was. What was that? Euro NZD?
Yeah. We don't have to trade on this chart either.
No, that one's just kind of juking us a little bit.
A little bit, yeah.
I think we ought to stay out of those, like, sort of unclear.
Unless we're, like, totally sure, we probably shouldn't mess with them.
Right.
Because I don't want to go further than this trade.
Yeah, we got to win this one.
They look kind of, I don't know, these charts look like crap right now. A lot of them.
Yeah, weird. And they also aren't, like, in very good, there's not a lot of, like, 80% chart. The stocks are all, like, going way down. That's all right. We got 5 wins, so we're almost halfway there. We probably don't even need all 12.
We'll need at least one more to get this,
Yeah.
to recover our loss from the last 2.
Yeah, that won't be that hard. 9. Euro NZD. What do you think it's doing?
What do I think it's doing? I think
this next candle's going on the white line.
Is this one we just lost on?
Yeah.
Well, the MACD is already down.
Yeah, why did we got off that chart and then it did that? Oh my gosh, dude. That's so crazy. If it would have done that while we were looking at it, we would have. We thought it was going to go up, and it didn't. It turned around, and now it's going down. It's kind of.
Yeah, but now it could easily just turn and go back up.
Right.
It's just in a situation where we're guessing.
Yeah, right. It's not really moving with any, like.
Look at Euro RUB though. I know it looks weird, but the MACD is about to cross, but I don't know. It's at a white line, so I have no idea what that's going to do.
Well, if it fake crosses, we could just call it the other direction.
Well, we don't know if it's fake crossing or not.
Well, I mean, if it doesn't cross on this candle, because it looks like it's going to. From there, we could have retract bid it, but like when it ends. Like when we'll just watch it because it's kind of consolidating, but it's got warring indicators kind of because it's like wanting to go down, but the MACD is kind of like, I don't think the MACD is going to cross here. If the MACD doesn't cross here, just talk about it because I don't know. Yeah, see, it still could go down. I mean, it could cross and go through here though, right? The MACD could cross and it could go straight down from here. Yeah, I think we should probably put this next candle if it goes through here. Because it's probably going down.
Euro RUB.
Yeah, it's probably going down to this line down here.
Well, maybe, but dude, look at the retraction on that.
Well, it had a retraction and then it pushed back down.
This is the kind of chart that I don't trust because there's no real clear pattern to this. It just looks really...
Well, look at the MACD. The MACD is going to cross and it wants to go... It wanted to go through, it retracted. It wanted to go through again, it retracted. So like
keeps retracting though.
We could put it and it probably would shoot through if the MACD opens.
Well, the MACD, remember, is...
There it goes.
Yeah, the other way.
Hold on.
That's a lot of up force, dude. I mean, that just totally cranked up.
Yeah, that's weird because the MACD did cross.
I had that feeling. It was nothing about this chart looks stable. That's the thing.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I guess I'm trying to see like some pattern to it, and it's just going all over the place. Yeah, wow, that would have been a massive loss. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm glad you did not take that.
Well, yeah, I'm not taking no trades unless you tell me to. Really be nice to just find one that's fallen and breaking out. Look at NZD/USD though. NZD, well, it may be the same kind of thing, but the MACD is about to cross. I don't trust it at this point, but
no, it's just really unstable looking. Everything about it looks unstable. I mean, look at the wicks there. Look at the way it's moving. It's just got so much volatility. We're on a third trade. We need something really good here.
Yeah. Yeah, we need one that's like setting up in the right direction and getting ready to do it all at once. Like silver? Look at silver and tell me what you think about that. Silver could actually be breaking out to the upside.
Well,
like I think we could call this next candle. I know it's at the white line.
That's a massive candle and it's at a white line. There is no way I would put a third trade on a call on that because I mean, it could go up. It possibly could, but it could just shoot right back down. We don't know. That would be a guess at best.
Yeah, you're right, bro. Keep it real, man.
I just did.
My gut feeling is that it's going to go up through there. It's kind of crossing.
Well, it might.
But yeah, but it could. It just but really isn't.
It's not sure either.
The more sure bids are like they're heading towards the white line while they're double crossing. I mean, once they're already at the white line, you kind of have this feeling like anything's going to happen up there.
Crude. Okay. Well, dang it. Yeah, we're late to the party on that one. But crude is...
Oh, yeah. Well, no, crude's going to double cross in 16 seconds, dude. Might go to the white line. Let me look.
I don't know, but it could hit that line and bounce back down before the end of the candle,
we should take it if it opens.
Huh?
Well, it's at a line. Let's be careful.
It's at a line. It's so close, I wouldn't, because if it's a good open, but if it retracts before the candle expires, then we got problems.
Yeah, it doesn't. I wasn't watching it long enough to really know if it was really going to make it. It's at a really hard line. Those two candles back there.
Yeah.
I mean, it was like right at that level, which scared me.
Yeah, it just wasn't a good, safe trade for where we're at.
Although from down here, if we think it is still going to the white line, but I guess you don't know because it could just be bouncing and going back down. What's your gut? Like, do you think it's going to go to the white line?
My gut is looking at other charts at the moment Because I've already moved on from that one. Because I just don't think that one's going to be.
It would have won pretty good actually. It actually went up a good nickel or quarter inch. Now it's going back down again. So, but it wicked way far down, which would have given me a heart attack.
Yeah, we can do without that.
Yeah.
But man, there's like no good charts right now.
I mean, that one was decent. It just takes a lot of faith, though. I don't know.
Yeah.
There's not a lot. We'll just keep looking, man. We got time. Citigroup's just been going up. It's just tanking up. Citigroup just had a great double cross in the middle of an uptrend, and it's just been going up. I don't really know what that means. I don't know. As soon as we get in on it, it'll turn around.
Yeah, it's going to flip around as soon as we get in.
It's not like a massive waterfall looking chart, but it was a clear and steady step up. Has a lot of wicks on it, but it still kept stepping up. Now it's doing nothing. I think I can find better.
Yeah.
Euro RUB. Euro RUB is at a line, and it's setting up for a waterfall, dude. It's going moving kind of slow, but why does it look like that?
Okay, well.
What the heck? It looks...
What is it? Euro RUB?
Yeah, but I'm not really sure about it because...
That looks terrible.
It hit a line, though, but it looks like it's going to go down for a while. It looks like, well, I take that back. If it goes down, it's going to go down. It could go down a while. Let's see here.
Euro NZD is... This is one that we lost on before. It's dropping down towards the white line, but it looks like it could spring back up.
Yeah, that one's no way, dude. I mean, unless you think it's going to the white line. I think it's...
No. I think it's probably going to go back up.
Right.
But here again, I'm not taking any pattern trades like that because...
Yeah, well, no, we need one that's waterfalling and obvious.
We got to be sure.
We really need a double. We really need a clean double cross with a MACD cross that's going towards the white line that's really clear and clean. That's what we need right now. American Express is tanking.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of random green candles with wicks upper wicks on it though. I mean, I don't know when it's gonna stop going.
But
down.
it's not just dropping like waterfall either. It's consolidating, right, then moving down, then. Right. So even taking a 2 or 3 minute trade, put on this, I don't know, because it could just go. It's hard to say where it would be when it expires. It could be in the middle of a big do you think the next candle is going to be a red candle in this?
On what?
American Express.
Well,
or you think it's going to go up from here?
I don't know, man. If I took anything, I'd probably take a 2 minute put from here. It's at a high line,
Yeah, but I'm not sure that it isn't just going to go up from here.
Right, I don't know. Yeah, it might. It might.
Because MACD is kind of cricking up now.
But how far could it go up? I mean, it hasn't been going up very far. It's at one of its high points right now. If we took it, unless it just turned around and went up to where would it go up to the top of that red candle?
Which is it would be our luck that it does.
Right. The MACD wants to cross. Maybe it goes to the white line from here. Maybe it keeps going up and it could step up 7 candles from here, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's coming out oversold. We could watch the MACD, and if it starts to cross, we could take a call on it on the next couple candles.
See, Apple is sort of dropping too, but it's just very sketchy at best. I mean, it's
Yeah, but look at American Express and just stick with it because it's making a move. It's making a move that we might be able to,
be able to capitalize on.
Yeah, because it's coming out oversold. It's kind of going up. Like, I mean, I could see it going up from here. If the MACD could get.
It's in a downtrend. Yeah, but it could be changing.
Yeah, but it's been going down kind of weirdly. Yeah, you're right. I mean, that's why I was kind of thinking about putting it from way up there. But the MACD looked like it was getting ready to cross. So I was like, I don't know. Maybe this is going up 5 green candles.
I don't know, because it looks like it could go either way. That's the problem.
Right, exactly.
I mean,
unless we get a MACD cross that confirms some sort of momentum, then I don't think we can take it, because it's not giving me any feeling of, like, if the MACD went up from here and it went 2 green candles and it started crossing and it opened up, I would say, yeah, we could win an uptrade on it. Like right now, look, the MACD is starting to get ready to kiss, but I'm just going to watch it because it's going to do that or it's not. I mean, in the next couple candles, it's going to decide to MACD cross or it's not. It's not a great MACD cross because the stochastic already crossed a while ago.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of moving sideways. So, but it's going to make a decision in a few minutes, and it's going to probably be relatively obvious,
Yeah.
Probably in the next 5 minutes, it'll be pretty obvious. These charts are kind of hard. It's kind of weird that we just stare at these charts all night.
Yeah.
But Apple is continually going down from here.
Tesla's on a major green candle right now. That's just going to probably reverse real fast.
Okay, Apple, dude. Okay, go back to American Express because it looks like it's about to double cross. It's
but do you trust it? I mean,
I don't know. I'm not sure yet. I mean, it's starting to go up. It's wanting to go up.
I mean, it's gradually moving up, but I don't know if it's going to stay there.
If you ask me, to be honest with you, about the double cross on this, it's only in my mind that I want it to do it because it's almost like if it would have done it by now, it would have done it. It's right. So sideways at this point that I just don't know.
Like, we shouldn't even be entertaining that chart right now.
Probably. Yeah.
Dude, look at Apple.
Because the chart is super sideways.
Look at Apple real quick.
Do you think we should take the put on this?
I don't know, because it's like way up there.
Well, it's been going down forever, dude.
But is it cranking up? Because, see, I wouldn't trust this MACD if it crossed, because that size of that candle alone is what manipulated that MACD.
Yeah.
I mean, it reversed course real fast.
I think
a little too fast.
I think you could probably take like a 2 minute. Well, no, this is over. The MACD is kind of iffy, but it's getting ready to hit a big line up here. If this candle looks like it's struggling, we could take a 2 minute put or 1 minute put from here, because it's kind of at a top point. It's probably going to turn around. Is it? I mean, or is it just going to crank up? Look at it now. It's not really struggling. But it's at a line now.
You think it's going to break that white line, or you think it's going to retract?
I mean, I guess if the MACD opens massive right now, we could call it. Like,
I don't know though. Dude,
but that's gutsy because we're really high.
Real high, yeah.
I almost think that we could put it if the MACD doesn't. Yeah, see, the MACD opened like massive.
Yeah, but I don't know, man. There's so many red flags with this.
Right. Yeah, that the red flags are those giant green candles. I mean, you don't know. Obviously, it can't sustain this for very long, but
right.
It could go up like 6 inches and then turn around a little bit. Right now, it's at a massive line of resistance. It's at the white line. I mean, you could do whatever that's called, the retraction bid off this.
Retraction trade.
Yeah, retraction trade. Like, look at the line that it's at, dude. Yeah, it's at a massive. When it goes back up to that white line, it's at a massive line, like massive, for like, boom, boom, boom. It might already be going down.
Yeah, we might have missed that.
but I didn't see those. I saw those lines too late, but I don't know. It's still got a lot of up pressure, so
it could still try to go up from here.
You think? Yeah, I mean it might settle down though. I think if it gets back up to that green area, which I don't know. Well, I mean now it's going down, so
now it's giving me all kinds of mixed signals that I'm not interested in.
Yeah. You ever think when it starts doing that right there, like that second green candle as it started pushing higher, if we should have just entered like right then, because it just showed so much up pressure? If we would have entered like a third of the way through that candle. You ever think about that? Because we kind of knew it was like, well, no, we didn't, because that candle was kind of like up, down, up,
okay,
down.
Go to McDonald's quickly. You got about 15 seconds. Is there any kind of a line on this?
I don't know. I'm not really. I mean, you think that's going to be a put?
I mean,
it could be.
It could be. I don't know. Since you're not in yet, just wait. Because if we get
it goes up there a little bit, we could put it for 2 minutes. Man, that's far down. Look how far that.
I was gonna say, is it way down there?
It's way down there.
Like how far down? Like how much longer do you think it could keep going down?
Well, I mean, it's
not moving from here, so I'm not. I mean, it's not pushing down any longer, so I'm kind of like over this, but.
Yeah, but the white and I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure.
You have some time to analyze this, because.
Right, it's.
Did you draw a line anywhere?
It's hard to draw a line on this one because there's so many lines back there. It kind of stepped up like in a wave, like a slow wave up. So I don't know if there's any like.
It's been doing this. It goes down, then steps up.
Yeah, I mean it's at a pretty good line right now, but it waved up so far.
Mm-hmm. It's not going to keep doing that forever, though.
No, I think this one would just have to be about position. If we think it's going down because of
there's a lot of lines back there, dude.
Yeah, right. It's sitting on some different lines that I can't really decipher. There's too many of them. It's not like there's one specific one. It's just there's tons of them.
Right.
Apple's back at the white line. It's really, I don't know that it's going to break the white line. I mean, it just broke the white line, but it's so funkadelic, I don't know. It's just consolidated, then it broke the white line. Now it's going back down. Yeah. All right. Well, we got to get on something early.
Boeing's kind of dropping, but I don't know if it's going to, I don't know what it's going to do from here, and it's kind of weird looking.
Okay. Euro RUB is going up from here, and it might have, it's oversold. Both are oversold, and it's getting ready to double cross.
Euro what?
Euro RUB. In fact, I think we could take the next candle on a call.
Are you sure?
Well, no, hold on. I want the MACD to cross.
The MACD ain't about to cross.
I think it's going to cross, and I think it's going up, but I think, look at it and tell me, gut feeling. You think that it's going to cross and go up pretty soon, or is it not?
In a chart like this, my gut feeling tells me this is scary, because this chart goes up for a couple green candles, then goes right back down. So without any kind of...
That's true. It does. Yeah, it does. It consolidated on there, but it's oversold. So you think it's going down from here? We could just put it from right here.
Not from right here.
Well, it's going down now, but say, dang, these things are kind of messing with me now. We're see, now it's going to be at a level of at another level. So is it going? Is it stopped at that level, or is it going to go down from there?
I don't know, but I knew when I saw 3 green candles and it was due to turn around, because this one doesn't. It just doesn't have that kind of. Doesn't have that kind of look to it, you know. It doesn't look like it's the kind of chart that just turns around and goes up on a big mountain and then.
Yeah, well, it wasn't. It hadn't the MACD hadn't crossed yet either. So this next candle's probably going to be red.
I don't know because it's kind of sitting in its own sort of line right here.
Yeah, but it's in a downtrend and it pushed up and now it's going back down. I'm just guessing it's going to be red. I think that's my idea.
It might be, but it could be gonna play in this area for a while.
Okay, I'm gonna go try to find another one that can convince you. Well, I just need one that's actually gonna. Whoa, crap, Cisco! Holy crap, dude! Cisco's got like 7,000 green candles.
Whoa! How did we miss that?
I don't know. I mean, it wasn't really clear until it broke above that.
You know what's gonna happen as soon as we get in on this?
What's that?
It's gonna turn around.
Yeah, it's at the point now where it could. It's at like a jumbled mess.
But it could be ready to go back down.
I don't think that's going to happen. Dang it. I think we should wait till it bumps down to this candle level down there and then just take a 2-minute, 3-minute call on it.
I don't know because these are like
getting smaller.
At any point now, dude, it's due to either throw a red candle or just turn around because
throw a couple.
Yeah. There's not
like right here I could call it boom. Like 2 or 3 minutes.
Well, but it's likely that when you get a red candle like that that's lower than the previous 2 candles, a lot of times the next candle's a red candle. Like it just goes down.
Okay.
Like I almost predict that the next candle will be a red candle. I don't know for sure, but it sure could be. And it is.
Is the next one going to be red?
That I don't know.
Well, what do you think? I mean, what would you trade?
It's a guess. I don't know.
Yeah, because it could be just out of its pressure.
I almost told you to put that up there, but
well, I'm into putting it pretty soon. I mean, I think this has got a pretty strong. I mean, it's if the stochastic line starts crossing down from here. I mean,
you could just take if you think there'll be a third one, you could take the next candle. I mean, there's a third trade, but you know, unless it retracts a lot, you could just take the next candle. I mean, it's up to you. Come on, there you go. Yeah, I think it'll go down. I mean, it's pushing down.
Is it?
Crap. Are you freaking serious? Dang it. Okay, now wick out and I'll go down. Yeah, that's enough of that. Now go down. Wow.
Well, is it going down? Like, I think it probably is. You just want to take our fourth trade on the, like, way up here?
No, I think it's still going down, bro. I think we might win this.
Right, that's what I'm saying. It got up high.
Still got 15 seconds, but it's still pulling down.
It is going down.
Come on. You can do it.
There we go. There we go. Come on. Is it? Oh, crap. Come on. All right, it's 2190. Do you think this chart's going down for real?
Well, the MACD is going to cross soon.
Yeah, I do think it's going down. I think we should probably just wait for a high position, take a 2 minute down on this, because I mean, look, or even a 1 minute, because it's 1 minute 30 actually. I think we could just if it does cross and go down, I think we should just take it. If it's going to go
well,
down.
If it's going to be a MACD cross, then unless it's a fake, you could just go for. But now I don't know. I mean, dude, I knew that there was going to be a second red candle. I kind of wish we had taken it then, obviously, but my gut feeling was that
I think we should take a 2 minute from right here, dude. I think it's going back.
A 2 minute
down.
put?
Yeah, right now. Can we do it?
Well, what if it doesn't go down?
It will, dude. It is. I'm pretty sure it's going to go down from here. I mean, you think it is. I think it is. It's wicking out. I mean, we're losing position.
Well, there's a fourth trade, so if you are you that confident?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, I was definitely confident when it was up there. Now, not because
I'm just not sure about it, dude. It's not
it
showing me.
It needs to go back
like,
up to those wicks, and it needs to. I think we could take a. Well, we could wait till it actually crosses.
I just don't know, and it's a fourth trade. I don't know, and I don't want to guess. I want to be like pretty sure.
Okay, hold
on. Because at this point, I'm not sure that it's not just going back up. What's the big picture of this right now? It's like swoop down and draw a line. Put a line at the top of that so I can trace it back and see where it is.
Oh, where it is right now?
Yeah, put a line at the top of that. And
well, where it went to the top was right here.
Okay, now how far back does that go? On your chart, scroll back so I can see where it touches.
It's way back over here. It's in this.
Right there's area. A big line there.
Yeah, I think it's going down still. But I guess it could go up. I mean, now I don't know. So
no, it's kind of uncertain.
We got a fourth trade. I guess we don't have to rush into it. But that. I guess if I had taken the down trade, we'd be losing it.
Yeah. McDonald's is still going down.
But now it's on a big...
It's going down very slowly.
I don't know, man. You want to just keep looking? Oh, wow. What's that doing?
Okay. No, American Express. Yeah, I don't know.
Apple's going to double cross down on the white line. Maybe.
Apple looks really volatile and crazy.
Yeah, it kind of does. But is it going to go down? Well, it's got a bunch of wicks on it, so. Oh, Euro RUB crossed and went up. It's going to the white line. I got to find something earlier. I'm finding these things like... I guess
yeah, it's hard to catch them. I mean, they kind of happen so fast that it's hard to...
Cisco's the one we are on. Cisco still hasn't gone down. It wants to double cross down. Now it's starting to almost look like it's going to double cross, but we would have had to anticipate it. If I had taken like a 3 or 4 minute put from way up at that line, we'd be winning it now.
Or if we had just taken the very next candle that
you thought. Well, we're at that point now. You want to take a put now? I mean, hold on.
On what?
Cisco? On Cisco?
No, I was talking about the second red candle. No, remember when there was the first red candle after that big long line? I knew the next candle was going to be another red candle. Right now, I don't know because this is where we got in before. Yeah. That's like a consolidation line right there. It's just playing right there.
Yeah. You're saying that one moment where it started turning around, you thought...
I knew it was going to drop one more candle. I mean, all I knew was I had a pretty good feeling.
Euro NZD, dude. Euro NZD. Look at that. That's actually a serious setup.
It's at a white line.
Yeah, but it's almost ready to cross up on the MACD. Like,
is it okay? But is there a big consolidation line right there on that white line?
I mean, it's been kind of I mean, it's been there.
So do you think it's going to go up from here?
That's what I'm saying. If the MACD pushes one time through this, then I think it could. Like I don't know. I'm not saying I want to take it for sure. I'm just saying I just saw it and thought, okay, this is possible because it went all the way to the white line, kind of retracted. If this white line in 20 seconds, if this MACD crosses, then it would have been a good trade. Right now, I don't know because it's going down. It still could if we think you look at that and think if it's going up. I don't know.
How much is this trade?
This is 2190. It's a fourth trade, and it did not cross up, so it didn't give me like some real serious. But if it would have, then that would have been good. Euro RUB, you got 50 seconds to look at that one. That one got through the white line, and it's been going up for a while.
A lot of wicks on this.
That line is a consolidation line or a resistance line.
Yeah, that's nothing that I would enter in on.
Okay, 30 seconds on NZD USD.
Holy crap. NZD JPY is like, look at that.
Look at NZD USD, though.
Okay, what about it?
Really. Well, it's about to double.
Already did.
It did double cross, and I think.
And it's just a bunch of wicks.
It was kind of weak. It was very weak when it did that. So yeah, I don't think this is a good one.
Nothing impressive about that.
What did you ask me to look at? NZD JPY?
Too late now, I'm sure.
Oh, well, yeah.
Look at the size of that candle. You see that? Went all the way up, hit the white line, or pretty close to it.
Yeah. Oh, anyway, thanks for watching. We're going to keep doing our live stream on YouTube but we are going to end the podcast for you guys watching on Apple, iTunes, Spotify, things like that. We're actually a little bit late, so we're going to end the crack the back. Watch us some more. We're going to end the podcast for tonight. If you want to keep watching, just go onto our YouTube channel. You can get the full 2 or 3 hour session that we do every night. We'll see you guys, but stay tuned on the live stream for a minute here. All right, there's the podcast ending. I'm going to have to just look. Are we on a fourth trade? What is happening to us?
Yeah.
I'm going to go to bed now. It's getting late.
What about Euro RUB? I don't know about this. This is really not looking like anything I would want to enter on, but...
Well, why am I going to look at it then?
I don't know. Just see what you think, but...
Yeah, I think it's going down, dude. I think we should just put it right now.
Well, of course you think that.
Well, but look at it. It went up to the white line. It farted around, and it's going down, dude. This next candle, we probably put a 2-minute put on this and win it. Look at it. I mean, unless it just goes back up from here, which, you got.
Does that look like an absolutely sure trade to you? Be honest. Does that look absolutely sure?
There's no MACD cross, but so no. But in candle whispering, you tell me. I mean, it looks like it would have won.
Well, unless this candle flips around, which is very possible. There's a lot of wicks on this chart.
Yeah, it was a lot of wicks on the upside. It was up, 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 and it kept pushing down, and now it's pushing down, down, down. But, I guess the one reason I didn't like this is because it was kind of at a couple little lines down here, and the MACD hasn't crossed. The only trades I could take that would be 100% I think this is fully going to win is when I get the MACD cross in the line in the direction of the trend. And those trades, you have to take them when you see them. I mean, if they all line up, you have to just do it. But I'm
that would have lost, bro.
Oh, it would have lost. Yeah.
Euro RUB is what it was.
I wasn't 100% sure because I didn't really have all my things weren't telling me this is right. But I thought if you thought it would win, then I would trust you.
Okay, Brent oil though. Well, no, crap. Just the way the chart as a whole looks is what scares me on this one.
Well,
it was
Brent
a crossover.
Just crossed.
Yeah, it did, but it's crossed at this candle.
Yeah, it's too far. It's too late.
And it's already at a line down there.
Yeah, that one I'd say no. Although Apple... Look at Apple. Apple crossed. It went up. It's possible that Apple keeps going. I saw a couple charts do this tonight that just kept going from It's at a line. It's big candles, but like the position of the indicators kind of say like, oh, it could go up to that next line up there, which is like way up here. But it's at a line right now.
Yeah.
So it's pushing up pretty good though. But I mean, it's kind of slowing down now. So that's not a fourth trade material for me. Ooh, odd NZD. Odd NZD. Look at odd NZD. That might actually be something I'd be willing to get in on.
It's just kind of a line right where it's at. There's a wick back there where it topped out.
Yeah, it's too
far
and
gone. I'm seeing in my fractal indicator, there's a big wick right there.
But it's about to double cross. And it's had a lot of strong up pressure. It could keep going. Do you think that if this opens up, we should just take it? It's not going. It's going.
It's already opening.
Right. Well, do you think we should take it? It's fine if you don't want to take it. It's iffy, but still think it could win.
No, it could win. Yeah. I mean, if it dips down and you still want to take it, then you probably still could get in on it. But if you also think it's going to retract, then I wouldn't get in on it as a fourth trade.
Right. Well, I don't know if it's going to retract or not.
Yeah, it's losing steam.
Kind of losing steam but it is.
And I see a big.
Then again, like a 2 minute up on this might really work because it could just keep going.
Well, I don't know because there's not been a lot of big climbs on these charts, or they're real gradual.
Well, they kind of like they turn around a little bit.
So
that one that would have been a good win. But I mean, I can't blame you for not wanting to get in because it's throwing some. It's not
throwing
really
a lot of red flags.
It's not in the position that I would say for 100% sure.
Yeah.
But my gut was telling me that's a pretty good trade.
How many trades have we won?
5. Do you think this is going up still? It bounced down quite a bit there.
I'm kind of off that chart. What are you on? Odd NZD?
Don't even look at it. It's worthless.
You on odd NZD?
I think I was, yeah. Yeah, it's retracting, but is this next candle going to be red? Because it kind of like bounced down. Like you take a 2 minute put from here?
No, this one's moving too fast for my comfort, on getting a next. I can't say for sure that the next one's going to be red because of how fast it's moving. Yeah. Cisco. Look at Cisco. Does it look like it's overall moving down? Like the big picture of this is it just going to drop from here?
Probably.
Do you see?
Yeah. I don't know if the next candle is, but if it pops up a little bit, we could take a 2 or 3 minute put on it. Kind of on a line right here. Went down through the white line.
Thank you, Jonathan. I think we do. I'm hoping we do.
Like you could take a 2 minute put from right here, dude. I think you're probably right.
Do you see any reason why this isn't going down? Other than the fact that there's a couple of green candles, which there has been before, so because it's thrown 2 little dojis and or like a red doji and then or a green candle and a red doji, so it looks like it's going down.
Well, now we have to wait because it lost its position.
But I don't know if it's consolidating. If these candles are the same size, then that's consolidation. See, that looks like, yeah. See, that's what scares me right there.
It's kind of hit a line.
Yeah.
It's oversold. It's been kind of flat down there. It has like Like, I think we could take a 3-minute put from like here, but I don't know if it'd be a guess or not.
If it's any kind of a guess, I'm not interested.
It's just if you think it's actually going down.
And I'm not convinced. I mean,
it wants to return to that line. All right, so if you're not convinced,
look at Tesla. Tesla is right at a line right now. You see that?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what would we do on Tesla.
Well, it's at a line.
Well, yeah, so it tells me nothing other than take a 5-minute put on it. I mean, from way up here, you'd have to do it now though. I mean, it's hit a pretty heavy line.
Is that a pretty strong line?
That's a real strong line. It hasn't been above that line ever.
So do you think if we took a 5-minute put, we'd win it?
Probably.
Do you think it's going to consolidate from up here?
As long as you take it when it's real high, it's got to get higher than that. Now it's probably going down. I mean, you'd have to get it, like I said, you have to get it way up there for me to be comfortable.
Well, let's see what this next candle does.
Yeah, it's probably going to go above the line right here.
And then if it does, though, that raises the question, is it going to keep going? It's not really
so.
Not really been above that.
It's a strong line. It fought to get above there. It's pushing down. It's an overbought in the stochastic. It's almost overbought in the MACD.
It's rounding out, so...
Yeah, I think we should take a 5-minute put from like right here.
Okay.
Yes?
All right. I'm good with it if you think that... Okay. We are in.
I mean, that's pretty positional, dude. I mean, it's...
Oh, yeah. There we go, dude. That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm saying. It might consolidate around that line, but it can't get above that line. It's been trying to. It's hit it a couple different times. If it does, we lose it. I mean, we just have to watch it and see what's going to happen next. I mean, I think you can really, know at this point. It's, like I said, it's almost, yeah, it's kind of spread apart. It's kind of moving up, but we got 5 minutes, 4.5 minutes left. So
yeah,
it's
I think it's going to start falling, dude.
It's definitely going to be falling. I think it could be consolidating, but the trade that we put on that is sitting on such a strong line that, it's most likely we got an easy 50-50 chance that it's going under. And really more than that, because it's never went above that line. It opened at this line, it hit that line, it hit that line, hit that line, hit that line. I mean, it's tried to get above that line. I don't know. It's really worrying me. 3.5.
You say it is worrying you now?
Well, yeah, look at it.
Yeah, it's kind of worrying me at this point, but
I wouldn't worry too much about it.
I mean, we got 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3.5 minutes. A lot can happen in 3.5 minutes with candles this big.
Yeah, it can.
I think we just have to be willing to make a fifth trade, which I figured out. If you make a fifth trade,
yeah,
and blow it, you actually just blow
two guys,
2 men at a time, because your next trade is like is almost like, I don't know. I don't even think it matters at this point, but like the other night when we took that $30 trade, this is really worrying me, dude.
Yeah, me too, bro.
This is really worrisome. This is like moving really slow. I'm glad we took a 5-minute put, but dear Lord, it's moved up there really far. Like,
okay, go back down. Come on, you need to go back. There you go. There you go. Let's listen to me. Go back down. Go back down. Drop from here. Drop from here. Drop from here. Come on.
You're funny, dude.
Drop from here.
It's got 2.5 minutes now left.
So yeah, it could drop from here, bro. I think it could.
It's gonna it's gonna peter out of. It's gonna peter out at some point. This is just as good of a time. If the stochastic can come down, dang, the stochastic just doesn't want to. The stochastic is cricked, If stochastic cricks and the MACD cricks.
Oh yeah, thank you, Lord. Yeah, come on down.
There you go.
Come on.
There you go. What do we got?
Oh yeah, come on. This might. I'm hoping this candle goes well below our put line here. And then that would be really, really nice, because if we get a lower position, then this candle could end
still got 2 minutes in the and
10 seconds. If it gives a good push, it could go below our line, which would be really nice. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
It's moving kind of slow.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Come on.
Minute and a half.
That's what I'm talking about, dude. Come on. Dude. It can still win, bro. It can still win.
Oh, I do. I always thought this trade was going to win, or I wouldn't have taken it. But it's got a minute and a half. It's moving kind of slow, but I think it is going to win. Only problem is if it consolidates out of this.
Crap.
Okay, that's not good. There, it's consolidating up there. We got four 15-second intervals left. So we got 4. Man. Oh, this is really slow moving. Why is this?
Yeah, it is very slow moving, and then we've only got 50 seconds. Come on. If this thing goes down, we could win this.
Well, look at
come on.
50 seconds. The stochastic is starting to cross. This next candle is going to open in 10 seconds, and it's got 40 seconds after that to go down. So I don't know, man. I don't feel good about this one anymore.
Not anymore. I don't. It's got a lot of up pressure, and it's a high position, bro. I mean, it could tank way down, but it's got a long way to go.
Stochastic is just straight ahead. I don't know. There we go.
Okay, come on.
It's been pushing. It's been pushing on itself. 15 seconds. Come on. Could this win?
It could. It could. It could. By a miracle, it could. Come on, push. Nope.
2 seconds.
Oh, dang it. So what is the next trade? Like $40-some? What's the next trade, dude?
What was that trade?
21 something.
20. Look at it. It's going down now.
Yeah.
I mean,
I'd almost be willing to take a 1 minute put on this next candle, but.
Are you kidding?
Well, the MACD is about to cross, bro. But I don't know. I mean, that's a big candle, so.
What is this, Tesla? Okay.
There's about to be a MACD cross on this.
Yeah, okay. I'm with you on it. 2190. The next trade on that would be.
But it's opening now, so we're going to miss it.
No, it'd be 49.27. Be $49. Okay. If it you think it's going to go below, it's at that line. It's at a massive line right now. But if it opens,
then don't take it. Then don't take it.
Well, this is the line it was at when we took the put. So we might have been right. We were just off by a few minutes. We just take it now, dude. It's going to open. Let's just take it right now.
From this position?
Yeah, because it's going to open right now. It's going.
Well, yeah, but this is a low position, dude.
I'm saying it's going to go lower next. As it opens, it's going to go low. Like it's going to the white line. We were right, dude.
You want to wait for the next candle?
If it opens, fine. Let's take it. We don't have much to lose, bro.
But now it's already kind of there. Did we lose position?
No, it's because it's the position of this candle is. Here's what I'm saying. I should have taken it up there when I knew I was anticipating the cross, but the cross is happening. The cross did happen in that candle. I'm hoping this is not a loss, but if it is, let's just.
This is going to go down, bro. I feel it. This is going to go down. I feel it.
Yeah, because when we were at that high position, the MACD was getting ready to cross at that moment. We were at a high position. We were at that line, and I thought if it breaks this, it's going to break it hard, and it did. That was my gut feeling. So I'm okay with it. If this loses, I'm fine with it. I mean,
I'm not fine with it. I think it's going to go down, bro. I want this to go down. Come on, turn red and go down. Go down, go down,
on,
go down.
20 seconds.
Come on, 20 seconds. Come on. It can still do it. It can still do it. It can still do it. It can still do it.
We've got 15 seconds. It's holding
Come on,
really hard.
come on. You can do it. You can do it. It's holding high, but it's going to turn red. I feel it. I feel it. I don't feel it.
Dang it.
Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, that's devastating, dude. That's freaking devastating.
It's 110.
Do what?
I don't know. That's 2 men down though. Dude, I should have taken it. I'm so sorry I listened to you on that. Now I just gotta take a break because that's when I knew that it was going down. I just knew it. I just absolutely knew it was going down from there. It was like just the feeling was everything was lined up. I mean, I just think we missed it by a few minutes, and that's when I think we should have taken it.
Well, if you really felt it, you should have done it. I mean, you don't have to 100% listen to me. If you really feel it in your gut, dude, you have senses too. You got spider senses, bro.
Well, that was my spider sense left just by talking to you.
Okay, well, don't let me talk you out of something if you know you're if you know you're sure of it. Because there are times that I know I'm sure and you don't think so. But there are times that you think, that you're sure. So, but now we got 2 men down. We got to get them back. We don't have a choice.
Well, my dad's sitting at 122.32. Our next trade's going to have to be $110 if you're willing to do it. That's
how much will that? How much is that going to take, though?
I mean, dude, so Haley's sitting at like 120 right now.
That's the full account of everybody, dude.
Yeah, that's too much probably. I mean, we could just make several. I don't know. We can just be 2 men down and we can just start. Yeah, I'm just, I don't know, man. Now I don't feel very good about moving. Like, I don't know. If we knew what we were doing.
Well, we do, bro. I mean, you should have taken that, man. If you really felt it, you should have taken it. Do not listen to me. If you really feel something, then do it.
I don't know, man.
I mean, there are times that you just have stupid ideas. There are other times that, like, you're sure about it and you need to trust it.
Yeah.
There's another MACD cross on Cisco about to happen. But I don't know if it's going to happen. Doesn't look like it's going to.
Well, let me look and see. Maybe I can just look around and see what I feel like. Cisco's, I'm not sure about Cisco. I mean, is it going to the white line? If it MACD crosses up on this, we could just take it, dude. We could just take a $50 trade and get that one guy back. I mean, 50 would be safer than.
Yeah, it would be.
Than 100.
Okay, Cisco. Yeah, do you see it?
I see it.
Do you think it's going to happen?
I mean, it's going to the white line. It's about the MACD cross right now. So, yeah, I think it is.
Well, if you feel it. If
it opens, it can
and
be
if
fake.
It opens. Do you think it's going to be fake if it does?
No, I don't know.
It's not a very strong opening. But I don't know. No.
It kind of closed up. It might be going to the white line, though. That would have won.
Okay, here's one that's tanking. Is Citigroup, dude. It's past a line, it looks like. There's kind of a line back there that it's at, but...
Yeah? Do you want to take this one? This is... Well... Citigroup looking like... What's your feeling on that, dude?
It's not real super strong. I mean,
well, look at American Express. So American Express is like
FedEx is in a climb too.
American Express just double crossed and it went down to FedEx is in a. I mean, it's at kind of a line, but it's
late on American Express.
We're a little bit late on American Express, but it doesn't mean that it's not going to keep going down. Right? I mean...
It's just kind of a wackadoo chart. It's been everywhere. It's not smooth at all. What about McDonald's? Is that... And it's in kind of an area of consolidation. It's probably going to retract when it hits that white line. You're not on it.
Odd NZD, I looked at it and I don't think it's doing anything. Odd NZD is, I did look at it. was trying to cross down. I think we'll be fine, bro. We're not.
Did we take a? Okay, but when you took that fifth trade, it was at a white line, dude.
Yeah, it was.
That was really stupid.
I think the stupidity was that I didn't. Just
we do not
myself.
take trades at white lines.
The stupidity was the fact I just didn't listen to myself and take the trade. NZD USD is kind of cranking up. It's just not. Stupidity is, I think.
What's okay? If we find a good chart, what are we taking as a next trade? We decided this.
Well, right now I have $50 in there because I think if we can win a couple of those, we'll be fine.
Okay.
I mean, they have to be really sure though. I mean, look at FedEx, dude. FedEx is actually starting to get ready to go back down. It hasn't. It's kind of topped out. It's kind of rounded out. The MACD and the stochastic are crossing down.
This looks like the last one we lost on.
Right.
Kind of was rounding out and then didn't do what I thought it was going to do.
But we anticipated that with a 5-minute trade. This one we might want to wait until it actually goes for a cross. I mean,
everything's an overbought.
Yeah, everything's an overbought. MACD's already cracked down. Stochastic's cracked down. It looks like it's getting ready to cross down. I think we should just take a 1-minute put right now, or a 2-minute if we think it's moving kind of slow. But I think no. I think we should wait till the MACD crosses. I think, or at least until we think it's going to. Because right now it's kind of kissing.
Well, it's probably going to cross in this candle.
Right. I think we should probably get in there pretty soon. I don't think it's going to.
You don't want to get a low position either. I mean, you want to get a good position. But I mean, this.
No.
Should we be trading 30 instead of like 50, or do you think we should be trading 50?
I think we should go 50. It's gonna cross. Is this gonna open?
It was a pretty good opening.
I took a 2-minute because I think it's going down. I hope it doesn't retract.
You took a 2-minute?
Yeah, because I was going to take it up there earlier, but I think this is totally going to win.
Yeah, I hope it doesn't retract in 2 minutes.
All right. So
because this would have been a good 1 minute.
So far, yeah, but I think it's going to the white line. So what was that last trade? So we lost that, the 2190, and then, well, I can just look at my thing. We lost that, and we lost a 49 in Tesla, and then lost a 49 here. This is a fifth.
Come on, pull down. I want to get a good low position.
Oh, I think it's going to MACD cross right here. I'm going to put $1 back in case it's... yeah, I think it's going down from here, dude. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good and sure this is going to win. 57.
Well, we dang sure would have had it at 1 minute.
Crap.
So if this loses because of a 2-minute trade, I'm going to be freaking ticked. I don't think it will.
I think we should just enter another $50 trade right now on the downside on this.
I don't know. I would be careful about that.
I'm just kidding with you.
Okay, pull down.
Come on, baby. No. Come on, baby. We need this. We need this win, dude. We need this win. We need this win. We need this one big time, buddy.
We've got this.
We got this win, my friend.
We got this one. Okay, whew, that was good.
All right.
Okay, so we got some money back. We don't have a lot back. We still are down a man, right? Or did we get one man back?
Hold on. We're at 521. So we're down from when we started tonight, which I don't think we should end this session. I think we should just make $50 trades until we're back up. Because I think we can make... In fact, this is probably going to the white line. If you think it's going to the white line, we should probably just make another one right here.
No, it's getting too close, though.
Hold on.
Sometimes they retract, not... It's
yeah,
not
I mean, it already double-crossed. It's already done its thing, but, It might be,
but that was a good setup. I mean, we knew that setup was going to be
right.
Kind of a winning setup. So what? Okay, how much are we down right now?
Let's see. From when we started, we were what 560 minus
lost about $40-some,
$39. So we're down a man right now.
Okay.
Down. But just trust me. Watch this. So down $39. So 560. 560. No. Yeah. If we make a $70 trade, oh wow. Which that's probably too risky.
Excessive, yeah, that's a bit excessive.
If we just take another 50 and win it, then we'll be back up to we'll be back kicking some tail, dude. Oh crap. That would have won too. It's going to the line of FedEx.
Yeah, but there's no way to know that. I don't know if this is gonna waterfall from here, but
you know what? It doesn't matter. None of that matters because if wait a minute. Euro RUB. Euro RUB.
There's a lot of volatility to this chart.
Yeah, there is, but
this is too risky, bro.
Yeah, well, it probably is. I mean, it's double crossing from out of.
It doesn't look as nice as that last one did.
No, not at all.
This is not one that I would take.
No, it's kind of turning around a lot. Apple, look at Apple and tell me if you think it's going up. Oh
yeah. Apple's about at a line though. There's a lot of wicks that topped out right there. So this is risky. See what I mean?
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Whole line of wicks right there, 3 of them. All about at the exact same point.
Major retraction.
Okay, but American Express is just dropping. It's in a waterfall.
Yeah, it is. You want to take it? American Express looks nice, dude.
Yeah, but it's at a big line back there. There's a big line of where it kind of like consolidated right back there, and it's right there now.
It's risky to take like a $50 trade on one.
On one of these, yes, it is.
I mean, it's
yeah.
You just don't know.
All right, thanks, Jonathan. Have a good night at work, or good morning. You're in morning, I guess. So have a good day. Yeah, on one of these, it's too risky to take a big. Look at Cisco. Look at freaking Cisco right now. Okay, it hopped up to this line. There's a line break back there, and it's about to drop from it. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
It's either going to go past it or it's going to drop. But
I think it's going to go up from here. Well, I can't get. I did that last time we lost.
Yeah,
but it's got a lot of up pressure. I don't see it turning around because the MACD is like still wide open.
Yeah, we banked on that line last time and lost.
Yeah, I think we could probably, if it drops down a little bit, we could. If you think this is going up, I mean,
I don't know that it is going up.
Well, that's true. This doesn't have. I don't have any like big double cross confirmations or anything in the charts. I just have. Yeah, I think it's going up. I mean, it could just go down. It could just turn around and go down. I don't like that. I don't like that with the big trade.
No.
Citigroup's just tanking, but it's not broken. Amazon is at a line. See, none of these are going to give me the confirmation I need. Cisco's going up.
We almost need something like we had last time.
Yeah, we need something that has massive confirmation, or I can't. I mean, I can't.
Yeah, not this kind of a trade.
We got to like absolutely know this is going to win because we're trying to get our guy back.
If we win the next trade, what will it give us back?
Well, it would give us $40 back. We'd be back to where we started tonight. American Express might be going to the line. Yeah, it might double cross up and go to the line soon. I'm not saying it's doing it right now. I'm saying it might be doing it sometime soon because it looks like it might double cross.
Yeah, but the way the MACD is, I feel like by the time it gets there, this might already be crossed. This is one where you almost have to anticipate it, and I don't know if we can anticipate it.
I don't know about that because we don't want to anticipate it because it could just not do it. We have to see it. We have to see it do it. You know, even if it's a mid candle, I guess. I mean, well, it's hard in mid candle because sometimes it looks like it's going to do it, but you know, I think this one's probably going to do it because it's possible. It's really possible that this is going to open. If it does, I think we got a really good chance. Even if it, yeah.
Should you take it from here or like when that dips?
I want to see confirmation on this one. I wouldn't even mind if this just dipped down a little bit and then it just sprung open.
Because right now it's not even quite touching.
I think it's going to open right now.
It might be kind of weak when it does, but I don't know. All right, we're in. We are in, and let's pray this goes up.
We went on a textbook confirmation.
There was a good confirmation there. This is showing all the signs of going up, so if it doesn't, I will be really surprised. I think this will be a win for us. And you say this will get us back to where we started?
Yeah. This is freaking textbook double cross to the white line, dude. I think we almost thank God, thank God, thank God, thank
God.
Yeah,
just hold up there and hold up there for another 15 seconds.
This is going to win. I mean, I really believe this one's going to win. Thank God, thank God, thank God.
Come on.
Hey, it's going to win. It's okay. Yeah, baby.
Thank the Lord.
Back where we started. All right, we make one more $50 trade, and then we are.
Wait, whoa! We don't need to risk that at this point.
I guess it's that's a lot of risk. But if we want to get up to, if we want to clear the level tonight, with 577 minus 5.
How much had we won so far?
We're basically exactly where we started tonight. We're at 561.
Okay, how much money had we made? How much do we need to win the night is my question.
That's what I'm finding out right now. We need $17.
I would be okay with taking one trade that would win us everything we need and calling it done.
Yeah, we need a $20 trade. No, a $25 trade times a point.
Jonathan is now at work worrying about whether or not we made that. So, Jonathan, if you're still listening.
Well, I can just telegram. He's probably following us.
We're good, yeah. Well, tonight's win would be what, like $15 or something?
Yeah, we got to win $20. We got to make a $25 trade. So let's just find one trade and win it. Just be freaking done with this night. I mean, I honestly don't care if we just do this one trade tonight anyway. Just find one big friggin' double cross. I don't know how we just did that, dude. How did we just do that?
Why can't we always do that?
I was going to say, we just won two $50 trades in a row. They were big trades.
You're about to get, well, I don't know, this is risky, but you're about to get a MACD cross on Boeing. But it's real volatile. I mean, it's crazy looking.
Hold on,
yeah, I would not take that.
Yeah, it's too late.
Forget I even mentioned
it. It's too late. It's too consolidating. It's possible it goes down. It just double-crossed.
McDonald's is a textbook flip-flop.
I'm not doing that.
No, I know. I was kidding. I wasn't kidding. I was just saying that's what it was just because I saw it. But no, I would not take that.
Auden ZD might be a down.
Well, yeah. I mean, it's rounding out. It didn't go up super high, so it's kind of.
But it's getting ready to go down. I'm not saying like this exact minute, but I'm saying pretty soon. If it can go down, it's in an uptrend. It's been an uptrend pretty wide. This kind of scares me, but
I don't know. If this goes up, I would almost be willing to take like a 7-minute put.
Are you kidding?
I'm not kidding. Like from up here, because it's slow moving. But I mean, overall,
that's how we lost our last one. I mean, if we took a 10-minute put from here, it probably would go down. Well, I mean, because the MACD is okay. So the MACD ain't going to be up there very long. Yeah, let's just take an 8-minute put from up here, dude.
I don't know about 8. 8's
you said 7.
Long.
Okay, 7-minute put.
Well, hold on. Do you think 6 is enough, or do you think it's going to be? Well, I don't know. We're about to get a MACD cross, and you could just do a 1.
That's what I'm saying. I'm thinking just do a 1 minute.
What do you got? What do you got in your timer here?
25 minutes, 25 seconds, $25, 1 minute. But this MACD is not very strong yet. Actually, it is. If this goes, I think if this MACD opens, I should take this. I think it's possible. Just a 1 minute. If it opens.
If it opens good, it's in overbought. So, I mean, it's textbook. But it's kind of at a line. But I mean, if it opens, and you feel it, then you take it. I'm trusting you. That was a good opening.
It was a good opening. That's why I took it, because I'm just tired of trying to second guess the method, dude. I mean, the method usually works. That doesn't look good, but I'm not too worried about this because I think this is going down.
Well, sometimes they wick out. So
yeah, I mean, that was a massive MACD crossover, and I think you're right. If we lose this, you could just take another $25 for a 7-minute put. I don't know. I don't like that because I think
I don't like that either. But
why did it do that though?
I don't know. I still think it's going down. Yeah, there you go. I think it's going down, bro. I want to think it's going down.
20 seconds. Yeah, I mean, you're right. MACDs can do this. They can actually ride themselves out. Remember, we threw a sack of potatoes on this guy. Okay, we threw a sack of potatoes on him. Come on, baby. Come on.
Come on, go down.
Come on. Come on. Come on. That's not good.
Turn red. Come on, turn red. Oh, dang it. Well, that was a big sacrifice.
No, it's not. Because now we just have a $57 trade to make.
Dang it.
Is this going down though? Look how it's going down. I mean, look at it. Look at it going down, dude. It just crossed over. It crossed over out of over. I mean, I don't know that it can stay up this high. We should probably do your 6-minute trade from here. Let's just do that. All right.
For what, $57?
Yeah, right. Because look at the indicators. They're gonna tank down, dude. And they're going to that white.
Okay, line. Well, I mean.
All right, we got 6 minutes to hang out, talk about this, and then we'll have our night one. I mean, this thing is.
I'm praying this wins.
Pray hard, buddy. Pray hard. Oh crap! Yeah, I'm looking at the. It's kind of like
it's rounding down. I mean, it is going down.
Dude, I mean, if you look at the indicators in any chart, when it does this, we got a massive stochastic turn, a massive MACD turn. They're both overbought. They're turning down. I mean, last time they did this, they went down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They went down to 15 candles. They never came back up until, a long time ago. So I don't know. I mean, could this lose? I guess it's possible it could go down 3 candles and then just turn around. But because it's in such overbought status, I don't think that this is going to go out of the money. I mean, it might go out of the money for a couple minutes, but I think overall this thing is just going to go down. It's been going down. We got a good level on it. It's got 5 minutes left, so I think you can just chill.
I would like it to end below there.
So, dude, if we win this, we will have end tonight.
Oh,
with,
come on.
Clearing a level. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, if we win it.
Look at
if we don't, we're back
to where we started. before we took the.
Oh my gosh! I don't like this at all. Come on.
You got 420. I think we did it. I think you were right about the 7-minute trade, dude. I think you were right. I think we're good. Don't worry. I mean, because the MACD never really. Let's see. Can I find a place where the
there
MACD
we go.
was?
There we go. Come on. I want the candles to end and go below our line
Right,
and
just keep going.
start consolidating below the line rather than
Yeah,
above
in
it.
case it consolidates for a long time, you mean?
Right, exactly. Okay, so if this can hold there, that gives us a far better position than we had. Okay,
Yeah.
so come on.
Well, now don't bounce up.
Oh, yeah. There we go. Now, if it doesn't bounce up.
Look at Stochastic, dude. Stochastic just took a friggin' nosedive.
It did, yeah. Everything looks like it's going down. So
MACD just took a nosedive. So couldn't we just come into every trading night and just take $25 trade?
No. Too stressful.
Can we just come into every night and find one of these giant? Well, okay. Let me just ask you this, dude. We don't trade like this very often, but when you look at this, like I'm pretty confident about this trade. Now, I'm not saying that it could not just randomly lose. Like that's just the way life is, and pocket option is, I mean, binary options can be dangerous. But like when you see it going way up here like this, you see them. They're both in overbought and they're like really high up. Like not just Stochastic, but like MACD and Stochastic were really far overbought, and they both were cricking down. And whenever they do that, they generally fall pretty far. Like they gotta both be up there. That was a very rare find. They got up there. I mean, and they got up to that point, and they started to go down. I've never really thought of it, but when I'm looking at this position, if you go back and scroll test this, you find that when you get to that high point and you take like a 7 or 10 minute put, they almost always win because the MACD takes a long time to turn around.
Yeah.
We got 2 minutes left, but that's a really good position we're in right now.
We're in a good position right now. I will say. In a
slow-moving chart.
Yeah. We're in a good position in a slow-moving chart. That's a really good thing. I'd like to go even lower. Yeah, that would be really nice if it go lower, but
the only danger is if it hits that white line and decides to start retracting, it does have 1:45 left to do that. But look at the MACD. I mean, the MACD and Stochastic.
Oh, dang. Crap. Okay, I don't like that.
Stochastic just took a massive fishhook, but I think it's been so slow moving. It took it so long to get down there. I don't think it's going back up to that line.
Probably not too far anyway.
It went down pretty far. The Stochastic went down there pretty far, dude.
I think it's going to keep falling, dude. I don't think it's going to go up.
I'm in a nail biter right now, though.
I am too, but I think this candle's going to go down. I think this is going to go down from here.
Oh, that's pretty close to our line if you really zoom in on it. But yeah, I mean, I think there you go. I feel good about this. I'm glad that we're friends. I'm glad we met in junior high school. And I made some bad decisions tonight. Like my gut feeling was, I got to stop listening to you so much. I don't know. Not like in a bad way. I just have to start trusting myself a little more.
I'm wondering if becoming your friend was a bad decision.
It probably was, dude. 30 seconds, dude. If
we got 30 seconds here.
This thing's not going to bounce off that line, and just there aren't really giant candles on this chart.
I'm so nervous. I drank all my tea. Because
dude, this is a $102 profit.
Yeah, which means when this closes out, dude, the night is over for us. And we've actually cleared a level all in like...
Oh, this trade's only at 30% payout, dude.
No, it's at 80.
I know, I'm just kidding you.
Yeah, you ain't going to get me there. You ain't going to get me there. Oh, yeah, dude, look at that, dude. Bro. Look at that. Wow. Thank you, Jesus. Look at that, bro. Oh, man. Do you know how much relief I feel? So we're not down a man, and we cleared a level. So we could call this a successful trading night. Am I right? Do the financials. Let's go. Money time.
I don't know. I mean, why does my dad only have $222? Is that because we blew out so much money earlier?
Yeah, well, no, he won. No, we cleared a level. He only had 175 the other day.
Okay. Yeah, that scared me. I thought, did he not take that trade? But his counts, he got so low before. All right, so do the financials. 581 actually. We cleared more than a level tonight. 581.92.
I'm starting to think, bro. dude, this has got my wheels turning in my head.
I
This is
pray to
dangerous.
God it does, because I'm sick of making dollar trades, man.
Dude, I'm tempted to come in here, make one trade a night, and be like, okay, level clear, done.
Dude, I mean, if we did that and we did that good of a trade, and if we lost it, we just martingaled at one time. The only thing is, if we lost 2 in a row, we would
it'd get real dangerous.
We would not be able to do it. I'm telling you.
We wouldn't recover is the problem.
That's the only reason I've argued with you about, like, if we made $50 trades but we didn't martingale them, then if we lost a 50.
Well, fortunately, we kind of won the $50 trades, so we didn't have to worry about it.
We won a 50, a 50, and a 57 tonight. I mean, those are big trades. That, like, compared to what we've been doing, that's what the freaking heck were we thinking?
We weren't, but we were desperate, dude. We didn't have a choice. It was that or man down, dude. We didn't want that again.
I'm just sick of going down little bits at a time and losing a man, and you know.
Yeah, I wanted another successful night, and did we get? So we cleared more than a level.
Yeah.
Well, all right. Well, close out pocket options. I don't even want to look at trades right now. We're done with that. Let's pull up the chart. Let's see where we're at, folks. So, Jonathan can relax. I hope he didn't ruin his work day, because he's there thinking, he's there biting his nails.
He's probably following us on Telegram, dude.
Oh yeah, did you post it on Telegram?
Yeah, I posted our win on Telegram.
Okay.
So all right, gotcha. Let's see. I'll post the actual trade we made here.
While you do that, I got to run and pee. I just drank a bunch of tea, so I'll be right back. Fine.
All right, we got three watchers. I was just kind of taking a pause there, looking at the financials here. Let's see, 46 men. We ended the night with 581. I closed pocket options, so I don't know exactly what it was. Let's see what it was tonight. I'm hoping that Todd will go with me on the idea to just make a couple larger trades and maybe not even martingale them in case we lose them. We can just make them up. So let's see. So $21 was the growth tonight. We really only had to get 16. We're at 581. Starting balance next week, 581, or not next week. That'd be tomorrow. 581. Okay. So we're at 35. Yeah. Yep. We're at level 3. We have cleared into level 3. Now I do think that so we have to make, like, tomorrow we have to make $17. So let's divide that by 2. Divided by 2 is 850. Yeah, so we have to make 2 $11 trades. And we have to win them. So if we went to $11 trades, the only problem is, in the martingale, we'd blow out the entire account if we martingale them. I don't think we can martingale like that. I just don't think for us it would be a good idea. Sometimes we lose 4 trades. I mean, obviously tonight we lost 4. We lost a 5th, and then we won a 50, and then we won a 50, and we lost a 25, then we won a 57. So I'm glad we only made a $25 trade. Okay.
You there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I was talking to my son.
Well, dude, I mean, my thing would be...
Okay, what? Tell me that. Is there bad news?
No.
Okay.
We cleared a level, dude.
What's the good news?
The good news is we made our profit tonight was $21. We only needed 16.
Wait, what? Are you serious?
Yeah, our profit.
So we're cleared a level and a half, or not a level and like a quarter or something.
Yeah, I mean we needed $16. We cleared 21. So
okay,
you know,
what is tomorrow's level?
35.77. It seems like I don't know why we're only up like tomorrow's level starts out here, but dude, I mean, we have to win to clear tomorrow's level. We have to win two $11 trades. I mean, seriously, we could literally just make an $11 trade and win it, and if we lost it, we'd have to decide. Like that was pretty dangerous. I don't think we can live in that world. That
we can't, dude. Tonight, no. I was thinking that while I was, dude, while I was in there peeing, I was like, dude, we were desperate, dude. We were just like, no, this ain't happening tonight, is what we were thinking.
Yeah, we were thinking.
But dude, you're right, dude.
Freaking level is what we were thinking.
We were thinking what?
We're clearing this freaking level.
Yeah, we're clearing this level, and we are not losing a man.
I don't know that we can live in that world because we could have lost four $50 trades and we could have been out.
Yeah.
So I mean, my one argument that I want to consider is if we like had to make two $11 trades, we have to win two $11 trades. Let's say we make a trade and we lose it, okay, and we just leave it on the table, whatever. Make another one and we win it. We're basically only down like $1 or $2. We make another.
Break that into 4 trades, though. What's that in 4 trades?
Okay, so we have to win. So tomorrow, our full account growth has to be what 17.28, whatever.
Is that in addition to what the overage from tonight?
No, our overage is negligible. It's like $1 or $2 or something. I don't know why it's.
Wait, we won $21 though. We only needed 16.
But I don't know why it's. I don't know why. I don't want to talk about that. I don't know why the chart is saying that we basically. I don't know where our overage is. 50. We only needed 16. We won 20. So we have like $4, but that's only like we have 6 levels. So that's only like we have 35.77 in our total. 35.77. And to be on this level, we need $35.12. So we just basically cleared into this level with, yeah, I mean, we have about 70 cents per guy, 4 divided by 6. We have about 66
now,
cents
was that
per
adding,
guy.
Okay, but was that, see, because as you go up in the martingale, every 2 wins, it gives you a higher profit. So you don't have to, so you really don't have to win as many trades. So if
this is right. We have 60 cents. We have 60 cents extra per guy. So really, we are into this level a little bit. So let's just forget about all this. Think about this. You say we have to win 8. We have to win 8. Let's say we have to win $18 tomorrow. 18 divided by 4. We need to win $4.50 per trade. 6 times 0.80. Yeah. So we need to make $6. We need to basically make $6 trades. So we can go over here and we can make $6 trades. But if we lose.
Then our next trade is $12 and something.
Huh?
Then our next trade is
$13.50. Then it's $30. Then it's $68. So if you lose all 4 of those, you've lost $118. You've lost half of my dad's account.
Okay.
Yeah. So I mean, it's really dangerous to just sit there and do that. I mean,
yeah.
But if we only have to win 1 or 2 trades or 3 trades, my argument, and it will always be this, is when we have to win 12 trades. Like, I don't know if we could have won 12 ringer trades like we did tonight. When the pressure was on, we're like, we got to win this next trade. We took some serious trades. Like, they were dead serious.
Well, okay. But they were all in that one method, dude. They were all in that one. The climb up, and then it curves. And we knew, okay, this is the top of the mountain. It's going down.
We won a couple double crosses.
Yeah, and then the MACD starts crossing.
The MACD cross, but that last one, dude, I'm not so sure that we couldn't always win like that. I just, something happened in my mind tonight. I just opened up my mind, dude. I don't know if it's just...
If we always went for that MACD cross? Well, actually, and some of them were going up, too, like from a big downtrend in the.
This is not it. No, I mean, okay, so the MACD double cross works. I mean, I have that down. That I can win at every night. I would be fine putting $20.
You're saying $10. With the long trade, like the
the
7
7-minute trade or the 8-minute trade, because like what happens when you look? I'm sorry, I'm in charts again, but what happens when you look at this? You look at this giant. Okay, it comes up to this giant level up here, and this is right here. This is what it would be. They're both, the MACD and the stochastic are so oversold, and they start to go down. So if you got your trade in right here.
But they've been oversold for quite a while there.
Yeah, but they started to trade down. That's what I mean is they started to go down. Like they crossed down from this massively high place. And you notice.
Well, okay, but wait a minute. Hold on. Go back a little bit. Go back a little bit. See those two red candles? You just passed them. Right here? Yeah, right there. Look at the see the stochastic and MACD were both oversold there too and started to go down.
No, they weren't. They didn't cross down. They weren't. Well, I guess they were oversold.
Yeah, and they started to go down. So that could have fooled.
But this wasn't. This isn't a level of major resistance. See, I think what we have to do.
Oh yeah, you got to look at the resist. Yeah,
this doesn't have the right feel to it because there's no resistance up here. But let me.
There's one that's got.
There's fine. Well, like right here. Okay, so this line right here, this is a massive line right here. I mean, it went. It was here was a line, here is a line, and then it goes down. Here is a line right here. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is what happens. It hit that line right here. That is a known line. I mean, that's no crap. We wouldn't be confused about this.
Yeah.
Look at where the MACD is and the stochastic are massively oversold or overbought right here.
Mm-hmm.
Then if they start going down, even if we got our put in right here at the bottom of this red candle, like when it crossed, we'd probably get it even sooner. We'd probably say it hit the line, it's going down, it starts cricking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It would be 15 minutes before it got back to that level.
Yeah.
Come in. Hold on a second. It's you. Hey, hold on a second.
So I guess Eric's gone. He just turned his camera off. So I guess we're still live though. So I guess it's my job now to talk to everybody and keep you entertained. But he was in the middle of saying something, so I don't know what to say from here. But looks like there's nobody watching on Facebook. And maybe nobody watching on YouTube either, but you're back. I was just keeping everybody entertained.
I need a bigger house, dude.
I wasn't entertained.
But I'm not saying that this is perfect, but I'm saying that that felt pretty safe, that trade. I mean, when it gets up to this line,
there you kind of raised the bar because
I raised it because I'm moving on. Here it hit that line again. So it goes. This is a massively known line from back here. So, I mean, it hit.
We would have been watching that line. Okay, go back to that high point that you raised it up at, because we would have been watching that line.
Yeah.
Okay, so now go forward a little bit. There you go. So when it went above that, that could have fooled us, but we would have seen it go up above that because we'd have been watching that line already. And we would have been wondering, is it going to break that? We wouldn't have just entered. We would have said, is it going to break this line or is it going to shy away from it?
Well, look, if we would have seen the MACD, see when the stochastic cross is right about here, it starts to cross, the MACD starts to crook. We'd have to anticipate.
Yeah, you got to get it on the other side. You wouldn't enter.
If you entered here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you wouldn't have lost until you would have been in the money for 11 minutes.
Yeah.
Right there, because when the stochastic really does start to move like that, it takes it a while. It has to go all the way down there.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, I'm gonna look around and see where could we have lost, because you couldn't take this trade because the MACD.
Could we lose 3 of those in a row?
That's what I'm saying. I don't know. I mean, it's kind of a new idea for us, but it's something like where's that line? Okay, so it's going down here. It's going down here. It's going here. It goes up. It goes up. You couldn't take this one because this one's not really oversold, but you could have taken this one. See, like, look how the MACD and the stochastic are really oversold right here. And the MACD starts crossing down right here. If we took this candle, even if we took this green candle right here, even if we took our put right there on that green candle, because of how the stochastic and MACD crossed and was going down, you'd be in the money for, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You'd be in the money for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, yeah.
Because of how long it takes for the stochastic to get down there and the MACD to kind of turn around.
And there's another hill right there, again, right there. That next hill.
This one?
Move up one. This right one. There.
This one's not as convincing in the indicators because the MACD isn't completely.
Well, yeah, the MACD is oversold. I mean, it's all the way up there at the top. Look at it.
The stochastic is.
Oh, that's stochastic. Okay,
stochastic's oversold big time, but the MACD is sort of in the middle.
Gotcha.
I would be nervous about this one. But yeah. I mean, there's many of them that, like this one right here.
Where you want them both oversold.
I think for this method you'd have to, like this one, right about here. They're both oversold. This one's oversold. It crosses down right here. So
overbought. Sorry, overbought.
Yeah, overbought. It crossed down on that bottom of that red candle, and you'd have to anticipate it. But you'd be in the money 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You'd be in the money 6 minutes.
Yeah.
That moved down pretty fast.
And moved back up pretty fast.
But it was kind of on the white line. It kind of hit the white line and jumped off. So this would have lost in 7 minutes. Unless
so you would have to kind of anticipate the white line action too, like what it's going to do there.
Right. Like, is it going to, like right here? You might not do this one or this one because you're like, well, it might be going to the white line. Well, it might not be. It's too close to it. Whatever. Like this one, yeah, you'd have to kind of just get the feel for the general gist. Like right here, like this is it, dude. We could probably win this trade right here. There's a massive line right there. There's a massive line right here that it's sitting at, like a massive line. Okay. It's also
okay. You're talking about this one right here.
This apple right here.
Okay, so draw a fake line and anticipate it. So we're gonna imaginary, not for real.
Let's just go to demo.
Yeah, do that. Yeah,
go to demo. Take a 5-minute trade. I'll just take a 5 minute right here. Because I mean, it's at that line. And it's over. This one might be early because the MACD isn't like we're looking at the MACD. It isn't quite cricked yet, but it is overbought. It is overbought for sure.
Mm-hmm.
That's the thing. I mean, it almost. I think you almost would want to wait for the MACD to.
I'll be right back, dude.
Okay.
Give me 5 minutes.
Okay. Well, actually, let's end the live stream because.
Let's end the live stream because man, I gotta make a run for it, dude. That you remember what I told you about earlier that
you've been peeing like, dude, you're getting old.
No. This is a double dose of Miralax, dude. It's kicking in, man.
All right. Well, I gotta get off here in a minute, so go do your thing, and I'll end the live stream.
All right, end the live stream, bro. Everybody, have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah. That trade I took in